Hi guys, how are you all? In this video, I would like to explain one question which is very important in written examinations and also in interviews. That is, count how many times each character is repeated in the word. We need to count how many times that each character is repeated in the word. Let us take the example. Test case input is language. The output is we must be print like this. That means L is only one time, A contains two times, N is one time, G is two times, U one time, and E one time. Coding C one time, O one time, D one time, I one time, N one time, G one time. This is the question. Before going to explain this question, I would like to. This is based on a purely dictionary type question. So I'd like to describe. I would like to explain what is dictionary about it. Dictionary means unordered collection of data in key value pair is known as dictionary. First method to create dictionary is let us declare the dictionary name as user, that is equal to within the flower brackets. It is key. Name is Anshu. Value name key is name and value is Anshu. And the name is age and the value is 5 and the name is gender and the value is female. These are we are taking in dictionary, so items in the dictionary. So second method to create dictionary, there are two methods to create dictionary. Let us declare the name of the dictionary as user one. Dict of small parenthesis, name is equal to Anshika, age is equal to 25, gender is equal to female. How we'll get output of key as user input key. If we give the output will be like this. If the user input is like this, user of key is equal to value. Please remember the formula here. User of, that means dict name key is equal to value. This is the formula. You must keep in mind always that dict name of key is equal to value. How we can iterate in dictionary is for that means iterable variable in user dot keys. If you want to print the keys, then it will be like this. If you want to print the values, it will be like this. If you want to print both keys and values, it will be like this. Key comma value, name Anshu, age 5, gender female. That means key and value comes like this. You must keep point dict of key is equal to value. That means dictionary name of parenthesis key is equal to value. Okay. And how I will explain that how we can do the task. Okay. First we need to take string input. Yes, right? Language, it is all string. And here we need to take empty dictionary. Empty dictionary, the syntax of empty dictionary like this. This is the dictionary name is equal to, we are assigning empty dictionary here. What is the formula is for ch in dictionary, that means ch in n, that means for iterable variable in n, that means ch is iterable variable in n. After that we are checking if the iterable variable is present in dictionary or not. It is present in dictionary, no, na, it is first starting, right? So this one, if it is not present, right, it goes to the else part. So that dict of ch is equal to 1, that means dict of s is equal to 1. Key, for s key value is 1. Okay, then the loop goes to again for ch in n, then it will goes to r. Yes, right? R, it is present in dictionary, no, right? First r it is, so it will goes to here, then r is equal to 1. Then the loop goes to e. Here, yes, completed. Now we are in e, and here it is e first time, right? So dict of e is equal to 1. Next e came. E means it is already is present in dictionary. So actually dict of first we want to take right hand variable, so that dict of e is already 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So dict of e now becomes 2. Yes, right? After that it goes to again e also completed. Now r. R is already present na, so dict of r is 1. We know that 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 is stored here, so dict of r is equal to now 2. No, r becomes 2. Yeah, then a is not present in the dictionary right before, so dict of a is equal to 1. If um, m m is not present before, so m in dict is equal to dict of m is equal to 1. So parenthesis is s1 r2 e2 a1 b1, so that we got right. This is the one you need to remember. This is the most important question. I will explain in expressions. See, I will explain you what I explained about dictionary. Um, I'm assigning dictionary user. I am giving, and that means to explain dictionary about dictionary. Sri Ram, age 40, gender male. And if you want to take a dict of key is equal to value, you want to know it, I will print it. See what will it print. See, user of name is Sriram, right? If you want to use of, this is the way to get key as output. Okay. If you want key like this for individual, you will get like this. See, like this, you got to get values. If iteration concept, I will explain now. For I is an interval variable, dictionary name, user dot keys. Then print I. User dot keys represents like this one, first one. Okay, this is key, this is value. Name, age, gender, like that is for. If you want in a good, I will explain like this. This is useful for getting output in horizontal line. See, name, age, gender, these are the value keys. If you want values, print. Here we will put j. You will get might confused now. It is an interval variable. For k in user dot items. If you want, see, okay, I will execute only values. Sorry, it is comma. So it came like this because I is equal to n. After that, I will put print. Now see, these are the keys, these are the values. If you want to display both the items, display both keys and values. See, display both keys and values. Name Sriram. This is key value like this. It will display. I will show you. See, Sriram 40 mail is how we can get the values. In order to show it, I printed it. User of name is Sriram, user of age is 40, user of gender is male. After that, to know the keys, we will use like this. User dot keys, then it is name, age, gender. User dot values. If you want values, Sriram 40 mail. To display both keys and values, what we will can do, user dot items. Items need to be used, so print case. So items are displayed like this. I hope you understand this. Let us execute the program what we want. See, we need to take input, that is string input, right? So we are taking string input. After that, empty dictionary is created. So let us name the dictionary as dict. Empty dictionary is created. After that, iterating string for ch in n. Anything you can maintain. We are checking if ch is in, if ch in dictionary, that means if ch is present in dictionary like that, if ch in dictionary, what we want to do, dict of ch is equal to dict of ch plus 1 okay. Else if it is not there, what we want to do, just dict of ch is equal to 1 for key, that means any variable. For I in dict, how can we print like this, print of key dict of key, that means value. Let us run it. Let me give the code language. I'll execute once again. Sorry, it is not key, it is I. This is iterable variable. That means everything I, it is an iterable variable. So I will execute like this. I'll run. Sorry, I'm not seeing. I'll copy. I'll copy paste it. Okay, now input is taking. See, language output is L1, A2. If you want, see, let us check. The output must be like this, right? See, L once time, A two time, N one time, 2 1 1. If you want to execute another time, again C one time, O one time, D one time, I one time. So we got the output. Sorry for the delay for output because it has something has stuck. So this like this, it is very important program. Many times I listen that it is asking in interviews and also in written examinations. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please comments in the section. Please subscribe my channel and watch the videos in it and share it to your friends. Thank you so much.